Hello, thank you for checking out A1 Math. And today we're talking about dot plots and means and medians. And also, and the most important thing today is determining the best measure of center. Okay. So in this problem here, we're trying to calculate the mean, the median, make a dot plot. After you do all that, take a look and see what you got and find the best measure of center. This is how you do it. So you're going to need a number line. And you want to make sure your number line is from the smallest to the biggest number that you have in your data. But don't skip any numbers on the number line. All right. Next, what you want to do is put in each one of those numbers where they go, based on how many there are. So like for instance, you have 1, we'll put a mark here. 3, put a mark here. And 2, put a mark here. And if you get to one where you double up, like here we have another 2, you put that on top of it. And once you complete that, you've got a dot plot. Okay. So that's one step. 3 more to go. So next we want to find the median. And the median is going to be the number that's in the middle, but you have to pick the number in the middle once you get it in numerical order. Now, here's the thing. After you do your dot plot, you've already got it in numerical order. You just got to write it down. So first we have 2 zeros, then 4 ones, then 3 twos, then 2 threes, 1 4, 7, 10, and 12. So that's what you write down. So you'll have these numbers here. And then the next thing you want to do is find the median. And the median will be your number in the middle. So you take a look and see if it's odd. And if it's odd, uh, you'll go ahead and count off from each side and you'll find the middle. If you count off from each side and you get to your marks mark each other equally, you'll take those two numbers in the middle, add them, and divide by 2. But here it's odd, and here I've got my median, which is 2. So that's one step. The next thing we want to do is find the mean, which is the same thing as the average. And to find the average, you just take your calculator, add them all up, and divide by how many you got. So in this case, we'll take all our numbers and divide by 15. Add them first, and then divide by 15 because we have 15 numbers. Now it's 15 this time. It could be different depending on how many numbers you have. So we've done 3 to 4 steps. We created a dot plot, found the mean and median, and determine which measure of center is best to describe the data set. So that's what you want to do next. And there's a simple rule. Let me pull that up. Well, to find the best measure of center, what you want to do is see if it's skewed. If it's skewed, you want to pick the median. But if it's symmetric, you want to pick the mean or the average. Meaning if the majority of your information is on the right side of the number line or the left side of the number line, means it's skewed and you want to go with median. But the majority of your information is in the middle, you'll pick mean or average. So here we have the mean, which we found out was 3.27, and the median, which we found was 2. And the best measure we want to use is going to be the median. Because our information is skewed here, it's skewed out to the right, and most of our stuff here is on the left here. So we want to use the median because it's skewed to the right. All right. Okay. And that's how you find the measure that is the best measure of center based on whether it is skewed or symmetric. And if it's skewed, make sure you go with median. And if it is symmetric, make sure you go with mean or average. That's the lesson for today. I want to thank you for checking out A1 Math and have a nice day.